So the creation of the Centre of the Study of the Inland came about by really a few of us thinking about what were the core areas of strength within the School of Humanities and Social Sciences at La Trobe University, and realising that in fact we had a number of people who had expertise on the inland. So that was one of the key motivations, and they were expertise in sociology, anthropology, politics, history, archaeology, for example. Another one was that La Trobe has 5 campuses, four regional campuses. So it was a way of developing a research centre that actually mapped onto the footprint, the geographical footprint of La Trobe, and really was able then to offer those communities something that would bring research that was really relevant to the issues that those communities were facing. And I guess the third area was a desire to think about some of the issues facing inland Australia in a multidisciplinary way. And so bringing together a range of disciplines and providing, therefore, a whole variety of lenses through which we could address some of the complex issues that are facing inland Australia. The inland I think of as both a place and an idea. So as a place, I like to say it's anything west of the Divide. And another way of thinking about it is as an idea. And in Australia, the idea of the inland has been such a powerful imaginary. So the whole idea of the bush and the outback has been really formative in Australians thinking about themselves and who we are as a people. So another way of also thinking about the inland is to see it as a place from which much is taken. So it is a place or places that are really rich in resources for the economy of Australia. So if you think of mining, it's really important. If we think about the agricultural sector and for the Murray-Darling Basin, for example, which is the prime agricultural region in the country, huge economic wealth is located in the inland. And that's been really important for the development of the Australian economy, but also for the development of the way in which we think about ourselves and the ways in which our peoples are located. So much of our thinking about the inland in Australia has been looking inwards, looking from the coast where most of the population is located inland. What happens when actually we change that perspective? What happens when we think when we're standing inland, if you like, and looking towards the coast or looking towards the Pacific in different ways? And I think that allows us also then to reposition things like Indigenous knowledge in very different ways. And of course, water, which is a burning issue in this country, is another aspect that is so important in the inland, both in terms of the lack of it and then managing what is there. The other thing I would say about the inland is that many countries have an inland. So, and many countries will call it something different. So it might be the West, or it might be, the centre, or alternative words might be used. But it's a way then, the Centre for the Study of the Inland was a way of us thinking about how we could generate a centre and a research space that also spoke to international researchers and would mean something in different international contexts as well.